Hi everybody, here we are in mid-October and my fall crops are really going strong. I've got my lettuce here and some cabbage and brassicas of all kinds. And so that's really nice. I love the fall garden. But I want to show you something about summer crops, like tomato plants. If you've got one that was struggling through the season and just hanging on and you were so tempted to pull it out, like I always am, and I grow a lot, try to resist the urge. Leave one or two or maybe even three that you think have potential. They do. They really want to survive. And here's a great example of that. This is Mexico midget variety, and it's still producing fruit. They make little red tomatoes about the size of a large pea, but they pack a powerful punch. It is exactly like an heirloom tomato, full-size heirloom tomato as far as the taste. To be able to get that in the middle of October in your garden right up next to your cool season crops, totally worth it. And the plants never look better because all the heat stress, the pests and diseases are down. Everything that this plant needs to thrive is here right now, and it's made a really great rebound. So give that a consideration. Next time you're tempted to pull that tomato plant out, leave it in and see what happens.